In this video, I'll be showing you how to wear your frontal wig as a headband wig. If you don't feel like, weaving your hair to wear your wig, you can do this style. But first of all, ensure that you have your hair packed just like this. Okay, this is how I do my own anyway. I'm not applying hair gel again because I'm going to wash my hair very soon. So if you are making your own hairstyle, just ensure you use your hair gel, edge control. Mine is almost finished, so yeah, but this is what I use normally. Okay, for the sake of this video, let me just put in effort, so you can just use here. You need your hairbrush. My hairbrush is far from me, but anyway, I'm not standing up, so just to make hair look just put together. Yeah, just for my edges. So, yep. Then your wig. For this video, you also need something else. Where did I keep it? Coming. Band. Ouch, this band. You guys know it. See, mine is already even. But guys, it's just a fast DIY. So yeah, this hair thing they used to hold your frontal when you lay your frontal, right? Just to allow it stay well. So you need this thing because it has this super strong stay here when you clip it, like really tight. Do you see? Then of course your wig. Just gonna brush mine. You can see mine is a frontal that has chopped. In fact, guys, I'm gonna take out this hair today and do a sew in, but I'll still keep my frontal low. I'll still keep it and maybe work on it if possible. So you're going to wear it like this, but I think it's better to wear it from back to front. Guys, this hairstyle is so simple, very, very simple. So you can use a bobby pin to secure the sides if you feel the wig is not stable. But mine is not tight because this cap is bigger than my head, but it stays anyway for me. Then just brush your hair. Remember, you're pushing it to the back. Okay. Then you take this back. Can you see? So I'm just going to use my band to hold the hair first. So I can have space to wear the band. So it's this band that's going to hold your wig from what's the word now, from falling or slipping or sliding. So you place it here at the back and secure it. That's all. Yep, that's all. Then if you wish, but this is blue, I can't find my other bands now. I've taken something that will match my house coat because I'm wearing pink. So if you just feel like covering this one in front, if you don't feel like wearing black, you can still place this one over it. I'm tempted not to even go to the salon to do my sewing again. Guys, like, this will save you money if you're not in the mood to wear frontal, to lay your frontal, to do your sewing, to wear your wig, to weave your hair. Can you see? This is it. So simple, super easy. In less than 5 minutes we are done. Let me shake back. That's it, guys. We have our headband wig. This is a DIY sew-in. All I call it sticking. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful, because someone actually asked me to, to still do the video. This is it. Like, imagine if you don't have like all those curly, is it pixie curls, the long ones. To be so beautiful, like to be super beautiful. So you don't need to stress yourself. If you cannot weave your hair, it's even here is covered. If you cannot weave your hair, that's the cornrows before you wear your wig, you can just simply do this. Pack your hair well in a slick bun and then just wear your wig. Ta-da! And you're good the whole day. You are super good. All right, but I've not really tried styling or doing something extra. Can you style this? Maybe if you want to be extra, you can figure that out yourself, Sha. Maybe one high up and then down. whatever. But yeah, this is the headband all back style. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop your comments, and share. Give this video a big thumbs up so that we can help other girlies out there. Bye, yeah.